there, math magicians! Want to learn some math tricks that'll make your friends say, "Whoa, how'd you do that?" Let's dive in. First up, the magic 1089 trick. Think of any 3-digit number where the digits are all different, and the first digit is bigger than the last. Got one? Now, reverse the number and subtract the small one from the big one. Take your answer and reverse it. Add those two numbers together. Boom! You always get 1089. Seriously, try it on your friends, they'll flip. Next, let me show you the 9 times table with your fingers. Hold out both hands. Want to know 9 times 4? Bend down your 4th finger. Count the fingers left of the bent one, that's 3. Count the right, that's 6. So 9 times 4 is 36, works every time. Ready for a brain teaser? What 3 whole numbers add up to the same total when you multiply them together? Pause if you need to think. The answer? 1, 2, and 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and 1 times 2 times 3 is also 6. Last one, guess anyone's age with math. Ask a friend to multiply their age by 2. Add 5. Multiply by 50. Then add their shoe size. Now subtract 365. Their answer? The first 2 digits are their age, and the next 2 are their shoe size. Mind blown. So grab a pencil and try these out. Math isn't just numbers, it's magic you can do anywhere. Catch you next time, math wizards!